fly one of these. This is the pattern, I guess.
Yeah.
Ah, fly it first.
You want to fly it first?
Yeah. Let's see how she flies.
Seagulls fly.
Wait till the little boys see this. Oh, you can go right across the lawn if you fly it right.
If I fly it.
Whoa!
Oh my god! I was so entranced at looking at it. It just can't talk about being quick. Huh? I used to play baseball.
Your maiden voyage.
Oh my god.
I was so entranced. I went, oh, what's going on?
Oh my god.
Fly it straight.
Oh my god! Whoa! I think you got a trickster one.
Oh
No,
my
you
God.
just fly. Try to zoom it straight.
That is hilarious.
Maybe that's why I'm throwing back. Maybe
How are you throwing it? How are you throwing it at the...
That is funny. Oh my god. I'm getting right in the face. Oh.
It's not from the front.
Let me see it.
Are the wings on right?
yeah, the wings are on.
Do it from the back.
We were doing it fine the other day.
You know what? Maybe in the bag there's a weight on the nose, isn't there?
Oh, maybe. Yeah, you're right.
Just gotta
Oh, yeah.
There's a weight on the nose.
Go look at the bag. Maybe there's a weight.
Okay.
That's hilarious.
All right. Throw it up, though. I want to see it loop-de-loop again. That was funny. Just get out of the way.
Did you get that? I was so entranced. I was like, oh, hey, it's coming up my head.
Do you have that on camera?
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Yeah, let's put all the stuff on it first.
All right.